morning. My name is Denise Frakes. I am a residue-free coach for homes and personal. Today I wanted to visit with you about masks. I mean, we're all wearing them, but they need to be cleaned. And the reason they need to be cleaned, and I think obviously we know they need to be cleaned, but it's really easy to just throw them in your car or your purse or wherever, and then whenever you go somewhere you put it on. So who knows how long they go between cleanings. But if you're wearing them every day, even for a short period of time, you really need to clean them every day. And this is why. Because when you breathe in, you are breathing in the toxins, the pollens, the virus, whatever's out in the atmosphere. When you breathe in, this little guy is acting as a filter. So anything that's out there is being breathed in, and it's containing, hopefully we're filtering out the things we need to as much as possible on the outside. But we're also breathing out, and our breath out is our detoxing breath. So whatever we're breathing out, our carbon dioxide, our toxins, our blah, whatever, is being breathed out. I don't know exactly the right word for this, but it's coming right here. So that's two. We have the outside environmental toxins and contaminants, and we have the internal ones. Then you also have the mask itself. If you are using laundry that has fragrance and dyes, and you're using fabric softeners and dryer sheets, there's a really good chance, like a 99% chance, you are leaving some kind of chemical residue on this mask. This mask is right here. So one of the main ways we get toxins is by breathing in and by taste. By having it right here and moisture, we are naturally going to be breathing in whatever is on this mask. So I totally recommend first you clean your masks once a day, but you also make sure you're not leaving any chemical residue in your masks. So stay tuned to my next video. I am going to show you how to do an insanely easy portable cleaning that will take you no time at all. Everybody's got these ingredients, so you can easily clean this mask every day, no problem. So keep your mask clean, but be aware that there's 3 different toxins or contaminants that can come in: the mask itself, the environment outside, and then ourselves. So that's why we need to clean it. And I think that's one of the reasons a lot of people are breaking out with acne, because we're not used to having something on our face. And so the moisture, the bacteria, all that stuff is getting contained right here. So yes, we want to stay healthy in our lungs and our bodies and minimize the risk of the virus. So keep our masks clean. That is my thought for the day. Again, I'm Denise Frakes.